my name is Ariel.
And this is Alana. And today we are going on a bike ride. Okay, so I have my makeup done because I had a ballet thing. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna record you guys. You guys can go in front of me, and let's go on the sidewalk. Yeah, I will. Okay, so Jack is gonna go first. Alana is gonna go behind Jack, and then Ariel, and I'll go in the caboose. No, because then I can't videotape. You guys. Okay, so we're just riding around the neighborhood.
It's pretty nice. It's a little chilly.
Yeah, that's why we're all dressed in tight pants. Yeah, so it's fun. And the reason why we call it a bike ride is because we normally do it with bikes, but it can be whatever. We just like to call it a bike ride.
Yeah, and that's what people know. It kind of sounds weird if you did it scooter ride or rollerblade ride.
Yeah, we're used to calling it a bike ride.
Yeah, because it just sounds like it's on a scooter bike ride, right?
Yeah. Do you guys want to turn right here and then go up the hill?
Yeah, we are. So
Okay.
basically, we're by a house. So we're not on the road.
This is the dog that barks a lot.
Yeah. Hey, dog bark. We also have a cat.
He's so cute though.
Yeah.
Their doggy's so cute.
We also
isn't
have a cat.
he? Yeah. They also have a cat. Okay. Now I'm gonna reverse it and go like this.
Fast. Hi guys. So we're gonna go over here.
Okay. So we're gonna go up here. We're gonna go up here. Guys, let's get on the sidewalk, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go right here.
Okay. Ready? Here, I'll lift you up, okay? Okay, step off your bike real quick, okay? I'm going to... Okay, ready? Hold on. Good job. You got it all by yourself. Okay, follow Jack, okay? Okay.
See, you can hear the dog right now. They're cats. They're cats.
Okay, keep going, Alana. We're not allowed to go on the street because the street is unsafe. Yeah. Ariel's gonna hold the camera.
Hey guys.
You can also hold the top down.
Hi guys. I'm
Potatoes?
I grow potatoes and I'm giving them away to people.
Oh.
So if you have pockets, you can just look at that's. I had it all the way full, and now that's what's left from people taking some.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, these are
Oh,
these kinds. They're these ones. I grow purple ones, red ones,
Purple.
russet potatoes.
I only saw brown
Purple
ones.
potatoes. Go ahead, take pictures. You want me to lay them out and make it easier to take a picture?
No, it's
It's
fine.
okay.
She's like my son. Take pictures of everything. He's a photographer.
We're actually
Oh.
filming.
We're filming a YouTube video.
right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're doing a bike ride.
Well, I won't bother you anymore then.
It's okay.
Okay.
So you can actually I just found out today that you could there's actually purple red potatoes. I only knew that there was like brown. That's surprising.
There's even whitish.
Yeah. So we're enjoying back on our bike ride. That was nice of the lady to show us her potatoes.
Okay, let's keep going. have to run kind of faster. But don't.
We're just enjoying our view. So it's actually pretty nice, like the sunset. You can't really see the sunset. Oh, the mushrooms.
Oh, you can zoom in. I did not know that.
Did you know? Oh, there's one that's squashed.
Show them that cute little guy.
And there's this cute little
There's
guy.
a little
There's people already setting up
What's his
for
name?
Halloween.
What's his name again? Scarecrow.
How do you not know what the scarecrow's name is?
I was trying to think of the scarecrow's name from.
Oh, and they have their decorations.
Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Hey, Jack.
Okay, so we're gonna back on our bike ride.
Okay, let's go.
I gotta.
Okay. There's a bunch of nice people.
Yeah, I like this neighborhood we live in. It's actually very nice. I'm gonna turn you down for a little bit. Oh wait, I just turned you. Natalie, I turned them down a little bit so I could tell you. How about whenever we come across like Halloween stuff,
These lavenders.
come across Halloween stuff, we show
lavender
them.
bush, and lavender smells so good.
Yeah, I love lavender.
So good. Okay, let's keep going.
Sorry I turned you down. I was just gonna say, we're gonna show you like Halloween decorations on this bike ride. There's like some coming across here. Yeah, this baby right here who we're talking about. Here, I'll just let you look over here. Here, I'll zoom in. There's kind of scary because that man. So I just zoomed out.
Those people always have very scary
Yes, I
Let's
zoomed
not
in.
go over there because
Yeah, because it's scary for Alana.
it's scary for me too. Okay,
Yeah, me too.
go.
No, you guys have this scary decoration.
We do.
Every time Hi, Alana.
Really? I got scared.
Okay, we're back on our bike ride.
Just because. Yeah. I just didn't want to sit.
They go like this. Ready? Or they have axes that go like.
Yeah. Oh look, Washington.
Washington. Wait, where's Washington?
Washington is where the president.
Oh, this thing. Sorry, guys. Didn't know what they were talking about first there. Oh, teddy bears! I'll show you these teddy bears. Okay. Sorry, guys. I just had to zoom out there. So basically, this is where we're. So basically, you saw those. Oh, Halloween decorations. They're setting up. Come on, guys, follow. Natalie, we're all the way back here. I'll show you these.
And it shows
See?
over these.
Cool decorations. So sorry about that, guys. Oh, there's a police department. Who? Well, not really. It says police. If you could see it, police. This is a fun bike ride, but it might not be the best. But when we end this video, please. Uh-huh.
Or Jack, or somebody. Here.
Fell.
Okay.
So I'm the leader. Alana, stop! I'm the leader. So we're coming across. I'm the caboose. These are everyone. Looks like poison. Never mind, not poison.
Here there's gonna be
Yeah.
Extra careful, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna be extra careful. So I actually might like just walk on the grass because I'm holding the camera.
Me and you will walk on the grass.
Oh, there's cool things. Oh, what does that say? It says trick or treat.
It smells like.
Trick or treat.
You're right. It does. It smells like chili hot dogs.
Oh, that's cool. They have their number right there.
Oh, yeah. See the little.
And little stuff. This stuff's cool. The little rocks are painted. That- Guys, there's a bug that just ran into me. There's a bug that just ran into me. That's weird. Ah, good. It wasn't anything. I mean, I don't have anything for you. Got back. So this is not where we turn to go to school. This lovely flowers. Natalie, her move. So we have to stay on the sidewalk. Oh, the hill's coming.
Can I go in front so they could see me?
Ariel, I'm gonna hold the camera now, just in case you have to fall.
No, don't worry, I won't, because I'm walking on grass.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be walking on grass.
Okay, Alana.
Walking. Everyone else is right here. So basically, we're on my friend's
Okay.
porch.
Keep using your feet, okay?
Okay, this part might be. Oh. Guys. Yeah. So I'm walking. There's like a river. Oh, we believe in you. Oh, wait.
Just ride to here because it's not going that fast yet. Ride to this grass part.
I'm going to ride to this grass. What, filming?
And riding. You get it both.
Now what?
You can drive onto this.
Okay, I'm going to be walking on. Sorry, guys. Ooh, it says,
It's not going fast.
hey, ooh,
Probably just
from, I don't know that, what that just.
watch this.
So these are the new people that just moved here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, I did not know that. Okay.
they're very nice. I never met them yet, though. And then their decorations, skeleton on their
Keep going.
door.
Friends Jack and Alana are waiting for us.
Oh, I'm going to keep grabbing onto this so I can film. Don't worry, I can normally go down this hill. It's just,
You can ride to here.
don't worry, guys. It's not, I am a pro. It's just that I'm holding the camera and I don't want it to break. Don't want this to break.
Walk on this one.
This grass.
And then for the next part, I'll hold the camera.
Okay, I'm going to give this to Natalie. Okay.
You got this, Ariel. It slows down over here.
No,
Ariel's doing so good. Everyone's doing so good. Good job, Alana.
And we're going to show you guys some decorations in this cul-de-sac.
Here's Ariel. Yes, Ariel's going to
Hold it for you guys. So we're turning around
We're going into our
cul-de-sac where we live, and I'm going to show you some decorations. We got those. Got this. There's little scarecrows over here. There's little scarecrows. I want to show you. There's little scarecrows over here, right there. We're driving. Burrito.